Today we have a different type of an unboxing. We have a Glock. We have a Glock 45 to be exact. We're just gonna unbox it for you guys. So usually you get the gun, firearm. We gotta make sure it's clear. The gun is clear, but we have a Glock 45. Usually the thing about the 45 is it has a good handle. So it has like a 17 handle with a 19 slide, which makes it easier to conceal. Well, just like half an inch difference, but has a good feel to it. But what it usually comes with is 3 mags, 17 rounds, speed loader. You get your back straps, your cleaning rod, your lock, manual, and this one is actually This one's actually a custom. It's a custom, Apollo custom. I think they did it. So you're looking to Cerakote your Glock. You can go check these guys out. But this gun's pretty good. Here's the sights. If you guys, in case you guys were wondering, I have a 34 over here. This one's also clear. But this is how they compare in size. Also, let's see. Oh, they have different. This is an MOS. The 34 is an MOS, so it has different sights, but basically the same thing. But yeah, that's the unboxing.